How to log in into Keka employee account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to log in into Keka employee account. Without further ado, let's get started. Open a web browser, navigate to the search bar and type in Keka employee login. Hit the enter icon and then after that you will reach on the search result page. You simply need to click on the first link of employee login Keka. Then you will reach on the official interface of Keka. Simply you need to enter your username or email and click the continue button. Instead, you can easily continue with mobile, Microsoft, Google or with username as well. Once you enter your username or email, click on continue and then enter your password. Follow on-screen prompts and you will successfully log in into Keka employee account. So that's all for today. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.